Alive na alive. Alive na alive.
Jamming pa more.
M.O.R. Live. M.O.R. Live. Live with your brother on board, Bob Silla.
You're so chummy.
Bob Silla. Bob Silla.
M.O.R. 101.9, my only radio for life. Grabe, Matt, ang dami nag-ano sa atin. Dami
Talaga?
tatanong sa atin.
Talaga ba?
Ito. Check ko sa, hindi. Mag-tweet siya sa inyo. Mag-tweet sa'yo.
Yeah, Twitter.
Wala akong Twitter eh.
Pero,
ano Twitter mo? Sige, go.
At Matteo Buricelli. But not double T, 1 T lang. Kasi hindi kakasya yung double T doon sa Twitter.
Oo. So, isang T lang.
Isang T lang.
Pag double T, iba na rin yun.
Iba. Pero yung totoo,
kaya-
double T.
Oo nga. Opo.
Eh,
Tingin po kami.
Yung kaibigan ko si Jerry. You know Jerry? Jerry. He's listening right now. He's stuck in
Tito
traffic.
Jerry. Hello, Tito Jerry.
At lahat ng mga nasa stuck sa traffic ngayon dahil sobrang traffic. Alam natin,
Ibang
galing tayo
klase.
sa South ngayon.
Iba yung EDSA, parang parking lot na.
Yeah,
Inaanda. Ano ginagawa mo pag bored ka sa traffic mo?
Tutulog, bro.
Tulog talaga.
Oo, tulog.
Kailangan mo yun. Pahinga talaga yun. No? Ito, may nagtatanong dito. Sobrang, saan kaya ito nakatira?
Sino?
Hindi pa ata nakaabot dun eh.
Sino? Ano?
Tanong ko lang po, Matteo Gudicelli, kayo na ba ni Miss Sarah Geronimo?
Kami ba?
Galing ka kay Gaser, Denver. Ano, kayo na ba? Ito, ano?
Still thinking about it.
Still thinking. Hindi. Ano na? Ilang ano na, ilang taong ka nang masaya, Matteo?
Matagal na.
Matagal na. Matagal.
Sarah's listening right now. Hello.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi,
Hello.
she's listening.
Oo. Siyempre, iba talaga pag ito yung music.
She says hi to Jason. Popstar si Jason eh. Doon sa poster, sa table mismo ni Sir Jason natin, yung mukha niya ni Ate Sarah.
Ay, oo, totoo. Alam mo ba na, may trivia ako sa'yo. Alam mo ba dati, si Bob Zilla, ay siya yung nagra-racket ako dati sa show ni Sarah Geronimo.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Between Walang Ningning, doon ako na-discover ng voice-over tayo.
Seryoso?
Totoo. Ang pangalan, si Dorina siya, di ba?
Hindi ko alam.
Si Dorina siya sa ako yung nag-i-introduce sa kanya pag mga concert. Voice ko yung ginagamit. So,
Stig.
that was 10 years ago. 10 years or, tama, tagal-tagal na rin yun. 10 years na Popstar Jason.
Alam ni Jason.
Alam ni Popstar Jason. Babasa lang ako ng comments Matteo, medyo ang daming nakikinig sa atin. Ikaw naman ang first crush ko, Mati.
Wow, thank you. Sino yan?
Galing kay Monica.
Hey Monica, what's up?
Ang ganda ng boses ni Matteo. Kumakanta pala talaga siya.
Thanks Monica.
Katang Isip, very nice song. Galing kay Virna Gakusan. Asa dapat sa Cebu si Kuya Matteo?
Sa Mandaue, dul-dul lang.
Sa Mandaue,
Na lang diha.
Lapit-lapit lang. Ganda ng boses si Matteo. Oy, galing kay North Serato.
Thanks Norserato, what's
Ayun.
up?
Sino-sino pa ba?
I have diplomats, they're my fan club. They're listening right now. What's up, diplomats?
Diplomats.
Yeah. What's up, diplomats?
Diplomats. Teka lang ha.
And I have a friend, my teacher, Edwin Narvaez. He's stuck in traffic. What's up, Sir Edwin?
Ang dami. Kailan po? Teka lang. Naguguluhan ako. Galing kay Juna Christian Sanchez Delphine. Hi DJ Bob Zilla. Hi Kuya Matt. Tanong ko lang kung sakaling ikakasal na kayo
Uy.
ni Sarah G.
Uy.
Anong kanta yung magiging team song niyo sa kasal? Uy, ano kaya to?
Pag-usapan muna natin yung album.
Pero may ano kayo? May team song kayo niya, no?
Meron.
Ni ate? Meron. At sa inyo na lang yan. Huwag na natin i-vulgar kasi syempre iba yung may personal life din sila ha. Ayun. Ang dami. Galing hi kay Regina.
Ayun, Twitter bro? Twitter yan?
Facebook. Ang
Facebook
dami.
ng
Facebook ng MOR. Pati ng DJ Bob sila. Ang dami nagtatanong. Lakas mga GV. Good vibes ng tugtugan. Salamat Matteo.
Thank you, Aris. Aris naman.
Magkasama ba kayo ni Sarah nung Christmas at New Year? May mga show ka nung Christmas?
Oh, yeah.
Busy kayo?
We had a show December 25, Christmas Day sa Makati Circuit. Kasama ko guest po ako sa concert ni Sir Martin Rivera. At sa 29 naman, sa Pampanga kami, nag-show kami doon.
So sunod-sunod ka din eh.
Yeah,
no?
masaya.
Wala ka rin pahinga.
Meron naman.
Paano man nababalaan si Matt? I mean, dami ginagawa. Ang aga mo gumigising, pare, kasi
Ayun din. Pero,
nagtitraining ka.
if you love what you're doing, especially if you, like now, I really love playing with Aris, going around, so I enjoy every moment. So, masaya, parang hindi trabaho, parang masaya lang, alam mo yun? It's just fun. You love what you're doing, so you're really inspired to do it, kumbaga. Kasi sometimes, kapag isipin mo trabaho, you have to get up, I have to
Trabaho
do
na
this
naman.
yeah.
Oo.
Like, you enjoy what you're doing, so you go.
Ngayon, sobrang, ito ba yung sasabihin ko kuquote ko ito na ba yung best part of your career right now is launching this album?
Yeah, man. Like, this is like 5 years in the making kind of thing. 5 years ago, we already conceptualized this. We talked about it. Pinag-usapan namin, nagagawa kami ng album, pero wala nangyari. 2 years ago, nasa Amerika ako. We had a show there, and this is a story, bro. Nasa Amerika kami 2 years ago sa isang tour. Guest na ako doon. And then,
Tour ng ano to?
tour ni Sarah actually.
Okay.
It was her concert tour. And Sir Louis Ocampo, he was the musical director. Tapos, banda ng patapos ng tour, sabi ni Sir Louis, but why don't we make your album? Do you have an album? Sabi ko, no, not yet, Sir Louis. Why don't we make an album when we get back? Sabi ko, sure, let's do it. Sige. Sabi niya, I'll co-produce it, we'll do it together. Okay. Nung bumalik kami, pinag-usapan namin concept, making concepts and everything. Pero hindi natuloy dahil busy si Louis. Marami nang papasok. May
May mga show,
din.
ano ka doon? Anong pangalan ng teleserye mo?
Inday Bote, nag-Inday
May
Bote
bote.
ako nun.
Meron, before that, ano ka pa? Yung sa beach?
Paraiso.
Paraiso.
Yeah, tama.
Sunod-sunod,
So, after that, umupo talaga kami with Kuya George. He's my co-producer in the album also, Georgie Dingkong. And we sat down with Sir Rox, Sir Jonathan, and Jason. Tapos yun, we made it happen, and they gave me these really cool producers named Kid Wolf, Bisaya din, Kid Wolf, what's up, man? And we worked with him, and Kiko Salazar, and Kio, he's the writer of Papadama. You know Kio? Yeah. So, astig sila lahat. They made this dream come true, and this is just the beginning, kumbaga, you know? So, kumbaga, it's like getting your feet wet inside the river before
Nung the night before first day of recording, kwento mo. Kinabahan ka doon?
Siyempre, bro.
Nakatulog ka doon?
Hindi talaga. Especially yung week ng concert ko, actually the whole month, hindi na ako makatulog. Nung week ng recording ng album, lahat, talagang sobrang excited ako. Sobrang excited na pupunta ako sa studio, na gagawin ko yung mga kanta. Sobrang excited. And especially, yung nag-shoot din kami ng music video, yung music video natin, sobrang excited. Ilang araw hindi ako nakatulog. Pero sobrang excited, you know. And when you see the final product, you're happy.
Oo, parang naging anak mo no?
Diba? Siyempre.
Lalo na pag nakalabas na yung physical copy niya. Mateo, ano una mo ni-record dito sa album na to?
The first song we recorded was Katang Isip.
Katang Isip?
Yeah.
Sobrang mabilis lang ba na-record yun? I mean, sobrang, syempre, first time mo sa studio. Aminin natin na, sige, umakit ka ng mga studio, pero hindi yung ganito ka-focus na kanta mo, yung kinakanta, nakakantahin mo.
Actually, when I went in the studio, we sang Katang Isip. Hindi ko talaga kabisado yung kanta, so it took a while. Kio Priest was my voice coach there. He was the one coaching me, and Kid Wolf was in the studio. So, there was a kind of attack they wanted. So, medyo matagal kami sa studio, alam mo yun, getting what they wanted. So, patience talaga, you know, it's hard work. It's not like what people think, 30 minutes ka lang dyan.
Hindi.
So, yun, masaya recording that. And the next song, yung susunod na kanta na record namin, yung Ipapadaman na lang.
Ito yung single mo.
Yung single natin.
I mean, Mateo, ano yung, kumbaga, lamang mo ba sa iba? O I mean, paano ko ba sasabihin? Ano yung advantage mo when it comes to hindi performing pero singing, singing.
I don't know, man. I don't even
Basically,
know.
kumbaga,
Do I have an advantage?
Hindi, kasi, I mean, ang iba kasi nagma-1. Ito, sobrang raw na raw. May gitara ka lang, kasama mo si Aris, tapos kumakanta.
So yun I guess...
Gano'ng kahalaga yun para sa tao na makita kung sino ka talaga bilang artist?
I guess hindi advantage. I mean, it's not from me, it's from the people around me. Kumbaga, if I didn't have the people around me, I wouldn't be able to be where I am. You know, the people around me is very, very supportive, and sobrang mabait sila. You know, they love their work and they love what they do. So, yung blessed talaga ako na nandito sila para sa akin. Hindi lang para sa akin, but you know, just around my circle, diba? They're there, you know. Like I always told Aris, you know, bro, maraming salamat for, you know, for, I'm gonna tell you now, bro. Makaiyak tayo dito. No, but you know, it's true. Like, salamat for being here, for doing this with me. Actually, you know who introduced, sino talaga nag-introduce namin ni Aris? Si Casey Tantingan. So, Casey said,
Si Aris kasi kasama niya si McCoy. Mga gitarista sila ni KZ.
right.
Casey Tandingan.
So, I asked Casey, sabi ko, Casey, pangitay rin ko kung gitarista paliho, gano'n, kinsa may gitarista na mayo. Sabi niya, Aris. So, I met with Aris. Pumunta siya sa bahay. Sabi ko, sino ba itong taong to sa bahay?
Talaga pumunta siya. Talagang
nag-jamming kami sa bahay. Kumatok doon. Tapos anyways, hindi naging work. Parang kaibigan na talaga. Barkada na kami, alam mo yun. And he's getting married next year, so I'm very happy for him. And, I mean, the people around me is very supportive, very nice. Like I have another person, si Sir Jason.
Oo naman.
Always with a smile on.
Of course.
Kahit galit, smile pa rin or tahimik.
Oo. Smiling boy lang.
Yeah, no, but like Kitty, I have this Kitty, you know, she's very nice, very supportive. I have other people, lots of people around me. At the Zen, alam mo yun, the people I encounter in my life are very, very nice. Like you, bro, like,
Thank you, man. Thank you.
how in the world would you, di ba?
Ang labo nun, di ba? Kasi lagi kami nagkikita ni Mateo pag nagsushoot kami ng Summer Station IDs.
Nagkita lang tayo sa hallway.
Hallway, pati-patihan ng konti. Pero ito na, gumawa kami ng project together. At hindi dahil andito ako at niyayaman ko si Mateo. Pero dahil naranasan ko, I was with Mateo 4 days straight